Hi everyone, welcome to day 29th of my 30 days SQL challenge series where I solve data analyst and business analyst interview question for SQL. So today we'll be solving one of the Walmart data analyst interview question. So let's see the question first. Write a SQL query to select the product ID, year, quantity and price for the first year of every product sold. So let's see the table first. In the table we have sale ID, product ID, year name and the quantity sold and the price at which the product were sold. So let's go ahead and see what are the things that we need to basically solve these questions. So let's read the questions one more time. Select the product ID, year, quantity and the price for the first year of every product sold. So we only need to find out basically the first year of the product sold details, right? So we need to find first year, right? So this product, which is 100, it was sold in 2008 for 10 quantity for this price, and the same product was sold in 2009 for this quantity for this price. Now this product was also sold in 2010 11. So we need to basically only find out the first year of basically the sale details of that particular product, basically for each product. So we need to basically find out first year of product sale details, right? And the things that we need, that's going to be like product ID, and other than that we need basically year, which is going to be minimum year because we need the first year, right? So if you say for this product, if you just filter out for this product 100 and the year is going to be 2008 9 11 10, right? So we need the minimum year, right? So we need the minimum year, that's the one thing. And the second thing we need in the quantity and price that the product was sold. So quantity and price. So to get this minimum year, we can basically use kind of window functions rank here. So I'll show you how the rank is going to basically work. So first I'll be basically grouping one product by this product, then I'll basically order by the year and select the minimum year. That's how basically we'll be getting the results. So let me just show you how it's going to work. Okay, so let's go ahead and see. So first we need the product ID, which is going to be product ID. Then other than that I'll be needing the year, right? So I'll select year as first here, right, of that product basically launched here, you can see. And then I'll need the quantity, and then I need basically the price, right? So like the price at which the product was sold. So now I can go ahead and use a basically I can go ahead and see the table. So let's go ahead and see, this is the table now I have. So I basically now need one functions to basically define like where I would basically select all the product for let's say 100, then I'll just order by the year, and the minimum year would be coming on the top if I just order in ascending orders, right? So I can use a window functions for that, and the window functions, a rank function is going to basically work fine for this. So I can say rank because I only need 1 year, not like 2 or 3 years. So I can use rank function. So I can say rank over, and I can do partition by the product. Oops. So partition by product ID, okay, and order by year. So let me just explain what I'm just doing here. Rn, okay. So what I'm saying basically, I'm creating a new window. So rank basically is part of window function which create a new window. So I'm creating a new window here. Then I'm basically doing a partition by the product ID. So basically for one product, let's say 100, so 100 would come on the first, then the second product will come and the third product will come, and for each product I will be giving some number like 1 2 3 4 5 6, right, based on the year. Okay, so I'm saying based on the year ascending order. So smallest year will come on the top for that product, and that will get one number, then the second will get second number, third number, so accordingly, right? So now if I just go ahead and run it, you will see there will be a new column which will be created, and the column name is Rn, right? So now if you see for this product, it's coming on the first partitions. This is my first partitions, which is product ID 100, right? Now I see the year, which is 2008, that's coming in the first and getting rank which is 1, and then 2009 getting rank 2, 2010 getting rank 3, and 2011 getting rank 4. Now same, this is my second partitions. In the second partition, the smallest year coming on getting the first rank, then it's getting second rank, third rank, and 2009 is getting basically again. So this is for 300 like third partitions. So this is how the window function works. Okay, now I can just go ahead and filter by this Rn, by this column where I say that filter, this column is 1. If I select the 1, then it's going to select the minimum year for this product, and this sale details that basically I need, which is product ID, first year, quantity, and the price, right? So similarly this one will also basically filter out this data as well. So for the second partitions, the minimum year and the quantity and the price, right? So it's going to basically filter all the product basically and their first year and the quantity and the price, right? So to do that, I can basically go ahead and use a subquery to do that. So I can just say select, so the things that I need from this table, which is going to be like product ID, then I need like this year, so I'll say this year I need, right? So I'll say product ID first year, and then I will need like quantity, okay, and then I will need, other than that, the price that the product was sold. Okay, so I'm using a subquery in the from conditions. Okay, so let's go ahead and use a subquery and putting everything inside the subquery, and I can give it name as like subquery. Okay, so this query is going to basically execute first, then from this query I'm going to get the product ID, which is the first column, second column, third column, and fourth column. I don't need the fifth column. I will just use this fifth column to basically filter my data, because I only want to see one row for each product, which is the first row. So the row basically name, I mean row number is going to be 1, right? So I can now simply use where rn equals 1. If I just do it, right, it's going to basically give me the results that I need. Now I can go ahead and you can see that I have selected the first product, which is 100, and the quantity and the price, but somehow I missed the product ID. So let me just go ahead and see again, like what's the conditions. Okay, oh oops, I just missed a comma here. Okay, so now let's go ahead and run it again. Now I have the product ID, which is 100, then the first year, I mean the initial year of launch year of that product, which is 10208, I mean 2008, and the quantity and the price that this quantity were sold for the first year, right? Now if I want to see the only the sale for the second year, so I can just type simple 2 here. Okay, and I can go ahead and see the their basically sale amount for the second year. I can go ahead and see for the third year. So basically I can go ahead and build multiple logics on these questions to basically perform some kind of data analysis. So I'll just go back to the first year, then you can basically compare their sales and the price with the quantity for the first year with second year. That's how you'll basically do some basic analysis for the product. So that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you really like my content, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm going to add a link in the video descriptions to basically this schema and database, so that if you want to practice the same questions, you can go ahead and download the same and practice the same. If you have any other way to solve this question, please leave a comment. Have a good day.